As we all know that it's the time for DeFi tokens. So in this video, I will share a perfect DeFi coin for long term. This coin will give you at least 20x in near future. So if you are a trader or planning to trade, then this video is only for you. Stay tuned because this coin will be huge, and at the end of the video, I will do my own price prediction about this coin.
Feel uninvited.
MTR coin is available on CoinGecko, so you can check the entire data, and secondly, it is available on number of exchanges, so you can easily trade the coin and easily you can hold the coin. So what is Meter all about? Meter is basically a DeFi infrastructure with a built-in meta-stable currency. Meter can be used as a highly decentralized high-performance sidechain to Ethereum and interconnect with other blockchains. Some main features which make Meter unique and exclusive among other DeFi projects: that it's fully decentralized project. Anyone can create the Meter through the proof of work mining, but no one can manipulate it. Thus it avoids the counterparty and regulatory risk. And secondly, no collateral needed. Collateral is not necessary to create the Meter, making it immune to smart contracts, collateral volatility and oracle risk. Sorry. And it's entirely fast and scalable. Meter processes thousands of transactions per second with hot stuff consensus, so transactions are confirmed almost instantly. So here comes the store of value, that how MTR will be used as a store of value. It is such a great thing, and also they mention this thing in their white paper, because at the time when I was making this video, I just read out the entire white paper and I found something over there also. So basically this token will also be used as a store of value, because right now you all know that every day number of currencies are going to enter in the markets, especially in the crypto market. And secondly, worldwide number of countries are basically producing more paper currency, more fiat currency. So this token MTR, this coin MTR, will be used as a store of value. For example, if you are going to hold this coin right now, you will definitely make some good amount of money. But right now I will tell you the main uses of this coin. But before that, something about the security. The Meter was backed by high profile institutions including the Pentra, DHVC and GBIC. They have brought on Oracle providers like Chainlink to integrate with the Meter network to provide the Oracle data for the DeFi dApp developers. So Meter uses an innovative economic and consensus design that separates the currency creation, proof of work with record keeping proof of stake. Its value is supported by the price of 10 kWh of electricity, which is more stable in purchasing the power than any fiat currency in the world. Here comes the entire team of the Meter. If you want to ask anything, you can simply message them on social media, so the team is going to answer each and every question of yours. Now the best thing, their main partners are Chainlink, which is providing the oracles to the Meter. It means that this project is 100% secure. Now I will show you something that is entirely important, the basic thing about the MTRG and MTR. Here you can see the entire circulation, and right now the price of one coin of MTR is 0.72, but that is entirely low. But definitely the price will increase. As I told you that at the end of the video I will do my own price prediction, and here you can see the entire blockchain explorer of the Meter. The best part, which at this time only and only Meter is supporting, that is about the transaction fee. First of all, they are checking each and every transaction, and secondly, they are also making it entirely low for everyone. For example, if you want to send the money to any country, you can simply send it and you don't have to pay much fees. Because right now, if you are a trader, because I'm also a small trader, so I know one thing, that if I am going to trade anything on the Uniswap exchange or any type of DEX exchange, then they are going to charge huge money. For example, if I'm going to trade with $100, they are going to charge at least $19 or $20 for the transaction. But this coin Meter is charging very low amount, and the transaction speed is entirely fast. So this is basically the main key point of of this coin which I love the most. And here you can see the store of value, which I told you in the starting, that the store of value means that, for example, if you have, for example, $1,000, if you are going to take that $1,000 in MTR coins right now, you will basically save your money. With the inflation or anything, simply, for example, right now the price of 1 MTR is about $0.72, and after 2 years the price will increase up to $50 or $60, because as I told you that the entire supply of this coin is entirely low. So if you are going to invest, for example, $1,000 right now, you will make some good amount of money, and you will also save your funds from all the inflation. That is basically the key point of this entire coin. Now, as per my own idea, Meter coin will reach up to minimum $3 or $4 in near future. So what do you think about the price prediction of the Meter coin? Do let me know in the comment section. And today, if you are going to invest $100, you will get up to 138 coins, and about after 2 or 3 months you will make at least $500 or $600. So it's a great thing about this entire coin. You must have to check all the things before buying any coin. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.